Hey, what's going on? This is Anbreen from Anbreen Cat Tech. Welcome to my another review vlog. Today I'm going to share the product review of a unique product that all the kids and adults will catch their interest. The product is Dolphin coloring pack. It is based on a very cute and a darling sea animal of everyone. So this is the sales page for this product. It says it's a done for you product. Ready to publish coloring pack will help you dominate the profitable dolphin lovers coloring book niche. This product basically offers you 25 brand new, unique, high quality individual dolphin images plus 25 more different dolphin images with background. PLR commercial use license. It has high quality 300 dpi PNG format, unlimited print on demand license, create adult or kids coloring books, fits perfectly on any page format or can be reduced for smaller pages. So as we all know that coloring book niche is a huge demand nowadays on Amazon and Etsy. So the top 4 coloring books alone sell more than 500 copies per day. So it's really a crazy deal, and it's really a crazy niche to have coloring arts, coloring draws, and especially it's a sea animal that is lovely to everyone, that is dolphin. So it's really gonna give you a profit in huge amount. So coming down to the sales page, you will see that the samples of this product. Okay, these are the books that you're able to do like this. Okay, see the different colors, how stress relief these colors or these drawings are gonna give even to kids as well as to adults. Yeah, see, it's really beautiful. So inside this product, what exactly you are gonna get is you're gonna get the dolphin images like this. These are the few samples the vendor has displayed here. 25 high quality black and white dolphin images with line art style designs, which is really expensive if you go to make by your own. So but this product is going to give done for you these images. See the beauty of this art of this animal. Wow, it's really beautiful. Any kid or any adults can catch interest in it. See the background. This is the image with background, right? I mean, sun is rising, the greenery is shown, and the kids can show their creativity while coloring in it. You can now take these images and publish them as your own in so many ways. See, there's another benefit you can take out of these images. Create coloring pages and printables and sell on Etsy. Etsy is another marketplace that is really trending and in demand like Amazon nowadays. Create as printables and giveaways as lead magnets. Color these in and sell them as digital art or posters. Create coloring books to sell on Amazon. Mix and match these with other ocean animal coloring you may have and create mixed books. Put these on mugs, hats, or even shirts for people to color. Create custom coloring calendars. Create notebooks with these inside, a mix of notebook and coloring, or use these images on the cover and let people color the cover themselves. As these two planners and stress relief journals. It's really amazing, and this product is only for $25. Okay, and this product can really save you from doing researches, and it can help you done for you images inside. Okay, you do not have to hire any expert or any software to create such kind of high quality images. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's go rush and get this product within no time. Okay, and then basically this is the sales page. Of this product. You're gonna get a link down below this video. Okay, if you click on it, you will reach to this page having all the details about this cute animal drawings and the pack. If you go down, there is a button, buy now, click on it, okay, and buy this product instantly, only on $25. I hope you will love this product and you will enjoy the drawings and the different high quality images of Dolphin. So this was the review of this product for today. I hope you like this video. If yes, then please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, bye.